boxing in Egypt will grow so big in future as I'm seeing. There have been a lot of countries working on boxing. I work in Russia, in Poland, in Mexico, agent in America, agent in Australia, in Germany, Denmark. I have good partnership in the world of boxing. WBC, I'm a member, WBF, IBF, UBO. All these organizations of boxing get me into boxing to promote, because they see what I have achieved in boxing. When I'm fighting in the ring, most of the promoters and the managers prefer me working on boxing. They don't want me work on as a boxer. But actually, I love boxing. I want to box. Because I have almost 16 fights in pro boxing. And I won my 14th fight. I lose only 2 fights. The fight that I lose in Poland and the one I lost in Belarus. And which, the fight that I lose is just on preparation and because of the code. I've done a lot to achieve UBO International Championship. I've been top 10 on UBO2 before I get to IBF ranking. Then I get into promotion because I see that in Egypt they have a lot of boxers, the good boxers and the world-class fighters. Then people advise me to get into to promote fighters, and I've been working on it for a couple of years now. But you know, boxing is not a football. Boxing is the thing that takes time. Boxing took years, months to build it up. That's what happens today. Now I have more than 18 world-class boxers in Egypt. That in 2 years' time to 3 years' time, they will be a world champion in pro boxing. Because the Egyptians have a strong fighters, they have a strong man. If you go to Upper Egypt, I have gone all around Egypt and get the fighters that can win anybody you want in the world today. That's what we are working on. The project we are working on now is to build a Zion of boxing in Egypt. Not the guys that they claim that they know. We are going to have the people that can kick anyone and get them out of the ring. Egypt is the place that we want to be the head of boxing in Africa. In pro boxing, when you talk about pro boxing, they come there to fight. A lot of fighters in the world want to come to Egypt. Mike Tyson promised me to come to Egypt. I brought Danny Williams here in Egypt before. Frank Butto wanted to come to Egypt. The daughter of Muhammad Ali, Laila Ali, she promised to come to Egypt to fight before she quit on boxing. So why not? I believe, and so much people believe, that in 2 years' time, boxers like Hani, Atea, Abdulmanai, and many others, even Nasser Muhammad Ali, fighting in America, he did a good fight, they did a good things there, but in America they let him lose because no one is with him. We have people like Ramadan Al-Fattah in America today. Ramadan, they call him there Holy Man. His name is Ramadan, yes. But they call him Ramadan, yes, and they call him Holy Man. This young man is in the national team of Egypt for a couple of years, 3 times Olympian. And now he's doing good in professional in America. 3 fighters, 3 knockouts. And the years to come, I believe Egypt is a place to watch in boxing. People will come down to Egypt to see how boxing Egypt grows because they have the quality, they have everything that they need in professional boxing. In the sports of boxing, you know, boxing is two ways. It's like entertainment, it's entertainment sports. Being professional boxing, because then you will be in the show, you put on the show, you bring out people, you let people know what is going on. So that's what we are working on today. The project that will give us chance to help the youth of Egypt, the boxers that will be fighting, when they fight and finish, no one goes up. So today, we are going to push them up. And I so much believe that within the couple of years, with the organization that we have in Egypt now, we have people like, I have Dr. Mohammed, I have someone like Hassan Mustafa, I have somebody like Mohammed He's Olympic silver medalist, so he knows that we have to help the youth. We have the young ones to make them up, to let the world see them. We have people like Dr. Lloyd Davis have been working on boxing for a couple of years, so he's doing good, he knows. But now we have to come together. I believe that together boxing will grow. That's why we did something. They have Egyptian Professional Boxing Association. In Arabic they call it Gamaya Mulakma Motarafin, because we try to join people together to make boxing grow, to make pro boxing grow. And when professional boxing is growing, the amateur boxing is growing. So I so muchly believe on myself that in 2 to 3 years coming, Egypt will be the Vegas of boxing of Africa. Thank you.